things, it will be like flying a vehicle, basically. No?
Yeah. On flying, you will use mouse vehicle, yeah. So your mouse is gonna be your control. So whatever you do with your mouse,
What?
you're gonna do it to the chopper. So good luck.
No! You're joking, right?
No.
I'm
Let's
gonna.
get up.
I
All right. So,
oh my god!
Okay. Okay. Don't move your mouse. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Now go up. Go up. Go up. Up.
Okay.
Up.
I can't.
Up.
I can't control it!
I was dancing to a helicopter!
Up. W. Okay. Oh my god. This is a building. Okay. Slowly movements. All right. Slow movements. All right. So
Okay,
when you move your
okay.
mouse forward, the chopper will go down. Right.
Can anybody respond to those calls and back?
That is-
on the med helicopter.
You see when you? Oh my god. This is backwards. This is backwards. Akila, this is backwards.
Oh my god. But like, for me, it's...
Building. Akila. Let's be down.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. Akila, stop.
Yeah, left me is on fire. Med 20
But like...
down, Med 20 down.
Heading. Med 24. Yeah, that was also. Yeah, my flight girl, come rescue Med 20.
No, negative, I already got them.
Okay. Yep, no. Oh god.